This is Lisa.
No,
The hiccups.
I don't have the hiccups.
Bitch, I better not went away. Nope, they're still there. You're growing, Lisa.
Can't grow no more.
Now every time you hiccup, your heart stops.